Welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that could change the way you drive and enhance your safety on the road. We found the Cobra Smart Dash Cam with Interior Cam, SC201, and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Cobra SC201 is a state-of-the-art dash cam designed to offer comprehensive coverage of both the road ahead and the interior of your vehicle. With its full HD 1080p resolution, this camera ensures that you capture high-quality video footage, which can be invaluable in the event of an incident. The added infrared LED interior camera means you can also monitor what's happening inside your car, making it a fantastic choice for families or anyone who frequently has passengers. One of the standout features of the SC201 is its real-time driver alerts. It provides notifications for red light and speed cameras, helping you stay compliant with traffic laws and avoid costly fines. The crowdsourced radar detector alerts are particularly useful, as they keep you informed about potential speed traps reported by other drivers. This level of connectivity and awareness can significantly enhance your driving experience. Another feature worth mentioning is the heads-up navigation system. This feature displays on-screen notifications for upcoming turns, which is a lifesaver when you're navigating unfamiliar roads. You can keep your map app running in the background while still receiving vital directions directly on your dash cam display. This means you can focus on the road ahead without having to glance down at your phone, promoting safer driving habits. The Cobra SC201 also integrates seamlessly with the Drive Smarter community. This allows you to receive live alerts from other drivers across the country, giving you an extra layer of awareness while on the road. The compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto means you can interact with alerts and view your route directly on your vehicle's display, making it a versatile addition to your driving setup. In case of an emergency, the SC201 has a feature that could be a game-changer: incident reports and Mayday alerts. If you're involved in a serious accident, this dash cam can automatically send a text to your emergency contacts with your location and details of the incident. Additionally, it allows you to instantly share your policy number and event details with your insurance company, making the claims process smoother and more efficient. Planning trips has never been easier with the SC201. You can input addresses, keywords, or points of interest to see route options along with traffic and road alerts. This makes it an ideal companion for road trips or daily commutes, as you can always stay updated on the best routes to take. So, who is the Cobra Smart Dash Cam with Interior Cam suitable for? If you're a parent wanting to keep an eye on your kids in the back seat, a rideshare driver looking for added security, or simply someone who wants to enhance their driving safety, this dash cam is for you. It's also perfect for anyone who frequently travels, ensuring you have all the necessary information at your fingertips while on the road. In summary, the Cobra SC201 offers a combination of advanced safety features, real-time alerts, and high-quality video recording that makes it an essential tool for modern drivers. Whether you're concerned about safety, planning trips, or just want peace of mind while driving, this dash cam is a comprehensive solution. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.